Hello guys, Ricardo here. I'd like to show you how to secure your Azure Active Directory identities and devices using conditional access policies. So once you log into portal.azure.com, you select Active Directory, Azure Active Directory, and on the portal options you select Security. Once you are on the security page, you click on conditional access. You can create a conditional access from scratch, or you can use the Microsoft recommended policies. Here you can select identity or devices. So let's create one that protects the identity first. So you click next. And this first one here will protect all admin accounts. This is done through roles rather than users. So if you create a new user on the future and give this an administrator role, it won't be missed from this conditional access policy. So I will just set the policy state to on. You can also leave it off or as report only mode if you want just to see what's gonna be the impact. You leave it as report only. And so you click next, and this will give you an overview of this policy and a little bit about who is going to be enabled or not for this policy. Note that the user that you are using to create this policy is excluded from this, so we will remove it soon. So once the conditional access is created, you can click on it to edit. Note that Microsoft applied this policy to certain roles. You can include more roles, for example, Teams Administrator. Also, make sure you are excluded from this conditional access policies, so your user is also prompted for MFA. And you click on Save. So the next time you sign in, for example, go to next time you sign in, you will be prompted for MFA. In my case, I had registered already the MFA, but if that's your first time, you'll be asked to configure your Microsoft Authenticator app, or you'll be asked to configure SMS and so on. You can check as well on the Azure Active Directory. Under sign-ins, under sign-in logs, this action. So, for example, you can see here that I was logging as single-factor authentication, right? But in the next few minutes, I will see a new entry here for a new sign-in using multi-factor authentication. For example, this one here. So the status is success. MFA was recorded by claiming the token. And it shows the location, device information, authentication details, and the conditional access that was used as well. And if the conditional access was in report only mode, I would see this under here.